processing that is affected, their thought perception, but their memory is intact. So their memory is not affected in schizophrenia.
But they have the tendency to deny things.
Yes, they can deny things.
Ay! Nararamang ka rin! Ano ka?
Mario!
Ha? Ay, gago ka!
Mario! Tama na ba, Mario?
Tama sa ako mo! Sabi nung gusto ng blayang gawa ka!
Mario, wala ka na!
Sila! Ay, kilig ko!
Tama na na, Mario! Tama na na! But no matter how many times Undoy is brought to the hospital for treatment, he still manages to escape, and so the family decided not to take him back there anymore. Lastly, Doc, why is psychological illness per se treatable but not curable?
Yeah, the psychiatric illness are treatable but not curable because the symptoms, you can only treat the symptoms, but like diabetes, it has been there for life, and if there is indeed a biologic problem, like what I told you as the etiology, like what they say is that there is a structural, the brain of a schizophrenic is really different from that of a normal individual. So there is really a difference. So you cannot change that. So that is why you can only treat the symptoms, but you cannot really cure the illness.
There are many people like Undoy, someone who lives his life like he has his own world, totally indifferent to others, even to his loved ones. We really do not know the cause of Undoy's so-called abnormality. There are many factors to be considered, both medically and emotionally. Maybe Undoy had an unhappy childhood that his family wouldn't want to talk about, and his past emotions have been triggered by his depression, use of prohibited drugs, jealousy, and stressors like Mario. Or maybe it is in his genes, a biological condition, an excitement of cells in his brain. No matter what the reason is, Undoy's condition could predominantly be called a psychological illness. Schizophrenia, treatable but not curable.